Welcome to the HardReset channel. Today I'll show you how to change the alarm sound on the Samsung Galaxy A72. So first open the app drawer by scrolling up from the middle of the screen and look for the clock app. Go to the alarm section and look for the alarm you want to change the sound of. For example, this one for 6 AM every weekday. Here click on alarm sound and then click on ringtone and select the ringtone you like the most. When you pick it plays, so you can choose what plays every morning. You can also add your own one through this plus here. You look for audio files on your system. Let's pick this one for example. Press done. You can adjust the sound of the alarm here. Then press the arrow here and go back again and press save. Thank you for watching. Subscribe to the HardReset channel for more videos. Leave a like and a comment, and goodbye.